Cruise control helps maintain a desired speed above 20 miles per hour by accelerating or braking, maintaining speed as needed. A cruise speed can be set while the vehicle is stationary and then activated while driving. To pre-select a cruise control speed, tap the lever up or down to increase or decrease speed in 2.5 mile per hour increments. With the vehicle safely parked away from active traffic and the engine running, pull the lever toward you to switch the system on. The cruise indicator in the instrument cluster will show 3 dashes if no speed is currently set. To activate the pre-selected speed while driving, pull the lever toward you. Or to set the current driving speed as the cruise control speed, press the button on the end of the lever. To increase or decrease the set speed without using the accelerator or brake pedals, tap the lever up or down to increase or decrease speed in 2.5 mile per hour increments. To continuously increase or decrease speed, hold the lever in the up or down position until the desired speed is set, then release. To change the set speed after accelerating or braking, press the button again. Cancel the cruise control function by either pushing the lever away to the first detent or by lightly tapping the brake pedal. Resume the set speed by pulling the lever toward you. To turn the system off completely, push the lever away from you to the second detent position. The indicator light will go out and the previously set speed will not be stored.